Do you like shopping? Yes, I enjoy shopping from time to time. Can you tell me your email address? Sure. My email is john@gmail.com. What's your favorite place to visit? My favorite place to visit is Paris. Do you have any plans for tonight? Yes, I am going out with friends tonight. Have you ever been to a museum? Yes, I have been to several museums. What kind of books do you read? I mostly read fiction books. Where do you usually buy groceries? I usually buy groceries from the local supermarket. Can I help you with anything? Sure. Thanks for offering to help. How often do you go to the gym? I go to the gym twice a week. What do you usually do on weekends? On weekends, I usually spend time with family. Do you enjoy learning new things? Yes, I love learning new things. Where would you like to travel next? I would love to travel to India next. What time do you start work? I start work at 7 a.m. Do you use public transportation? Yes, I use the bus to get around. What's your favorite type of weather? I enjoy sunny weather the most. Can you send me the document? Yes, I will send you the document now. What time does the store close? The store closes at 8 p.m. Do you like watching movies? Yes, I love watching movies. Have you been to a beach before? Yes, I have been to several beaches. Can I sit here? Yes, feel free to sit here. Where do you want to go for lunch? I would like to go to the sandwich shop. How do you usually relax? I usually relax by reading a book. Do you know the answer to this? Yes, I know the answer. What kind of coffee do you like? I prefer black coffee. What's your favorite time of day? My favorite time of day is the evening. How was your day at work? Work was pretty busy today. Can you help me find this address? Yes, I can help you find it. Do you enjoy listening to podcasts? Yes, I enjoy listening to podcasts about science. What's the best way to get downtown? the best way is to take the subway. What's your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is Friends. Can you join us for dinner? Yes, I would love to join for dinner. What do you like to do on holidays? I enjoy spending holidays at the beach. What's your favorite thing to cook? I like cooking pasta the most. Do you like spending time outdoors? Yes, I love spending time outdoors. Can you come with me to the store? Sure, I will come with you to the store. How far is your office from here? My office is about 10 minutes away. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate. Do you like to wake up early or late? I like to wake up early. What are your thoughts on this? I think it's a good idea. What time do you need to leave? I need to leave by 6 p.m. Do you prefer to work alone or in a team? I prefer working in a team. What's your favorite app on your phone? My favorite app is Instagram. Have you traveled to another country? Yes, I have traveled to Spain. What's the most interesting thing you have learned lately? I have recently learned about space exploration. Where do you like to go for a walk? I like going for walks in the park. Do you have a favorite brand of clothing? Yes, I like a few different clothing brands. What do you usually do on your days off? On my days off, I like to relax and unwind. Have you tried any new restaurants lately? Yes, I tried a new restaurant last weekend. Do you prefer cold weather or hot weather? I prefer cold weather. What's your favorite holiday destination? My favorite holiday destination is the beach. How do you usually commute to work? I usually take the bus to work. What time do you usually have lunch? I have lunch around 1 p.m. Can you send me the directions? Yes, I will send you the directions. What do you usually do in the evening? I usually relax and watch TV in the evening. What's the most exciting that you have ever done? The most exciting thing I have done is skydiving. Do you like reading blogs? Yes, I enjoy reading blogs about travel. Can you teach me how to do this? Yes, I would be happy to teach you. What's your favorite fast food? My favorite fast food is pasta. Do you have any special talents? Yes, I can play the piano. Where is the nearest pharmacy? The nearest pharmacy is just down the street. Do you like going to the gym? Yes, I enjoy going to the gym. Can I use your computer for a minute? Yes, feel free to use my computer. What do you like most about your job? I love the creativity in my job. Do you prefer watching movies at home or in the theater? I prefer watching movies at home. What's the best way to contact you? You can contact me by phone or email. Do you like to take pictures? Yes, I love taking pictures of nature. How often do you call your friends? I call my friends about once a week. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. What's your favorite way to exercise? I enjoy jogging as my workout. What's the best place to eat around here? The best place to eat is a cafe nearby. Do you prefer to spend time with family or friends? I like spending time with family. What do you do when you are bored? I usually read when I am bored. Can I help you with this project? Yes, I would love to help with your project. Do you like going to the park? Yes, I enjoy walking in the park. What's the most beautiful place you have ever visited? The most beautiful place I have visited is the mountains. How do you stay organized? I stay organized by making lists. What's the last thing you cooked? The last thing I cooked was stir fry. Can you give me some advice? Yes, I would be happy to give advice. What do you think about this idea? I think it's a brilliant idea. Do you like taking naps? Yes, I love taking naps in the afternoon. Can you tell me a fun fact about yourself? I can solve puzzles quickly. Do you like going to parties? Yes, I enjoy going to parties. What's your favorite workout? My favorite workout is running. Can you help me with my homework? Yes, I will help with your homework. Do you like trying new foods? Yes, I love trying new foods. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.